Daddy brought in what he thought was an injured bird, but now it's in our living room, perched there. I'm gonna have to climb on the ladder and try and catch it and put it outside. Poor little birdie. Let's try and get it. So, there he is. There he's gone. There he went. Very, very windy here in Seattle, and because of the heavy winds, strong winds, you may see some birds or small animals. You might want to just leave them alone or kind of move them to a more sheltered area away from the, out in the open. It's very windy, so if you see an injured bird, you don't have to bring it in your home. You just put it in a more safer spot. It might happen to you what happened to us. Don't take in a stray bird because it may not be injured. It's just kind of taking shelter from the strong winds. These. It's flat. Has been working this morning, but came by during class to show me that he brought home a little bird. Tiny bird. He put it in, well, he thought it was probably injured. He thought it was injured because it was just sitting on the ground by some street and it wouldn't move. So he put it in a box and brought it home for me to take care of. He put it in here. And there's some food. You see the bird poop and the water he put in there while I was in class. And then what happened was the bird was not even injured. It got, it somehow came out. Such a bird on the ceiling. He had one of these foldable laundry baskets, and I kind of trapped him toward the top of the ceiling. Then I folded it over him. He's okay. He's lightly pressed against there. So I'm going to take him out and release him outside. Okay, so he's going to let you see that he's not injured at all. Just bring him outside into the world. And it is really windy. I think that's what happened. It's a very windy day. I'm going to show you that he's going to be okay. If he wants to stay here, kind of recover. Let's let him loose here. Okay, let the camera be on him. Be okay. There he is. There he is. There he's gone. There he went. That, my friends, is how to easily catch a bird in your house without having to touch it or throw a towel. You just get one of these, or if you have one of these, I think most people have one of these collapsible, can't have one of the laundry baskets, kids' laundry basket. trap it on the ceiling, and then slowly, gently hold it over your bird, or the bird that's trapped in your house, and then it's gone. If you ever see a bird just sitting there when it's like the weather is pretty windy, just leave it alone, leave it where it is. Or if you want to transfer it to like a sheltered place, like under a shrub, or like just under some shelter like a tree or shrub or a corner where it's not so windy, you can do that. But don't bring it in your house because you're gonna have a hard time removing it or capturing it. Or you can just, you know, do what I did. A ladder, you need that collapsible laundry basket, and that's it.